Does acid reflux make you cough? Let's talk about it. Hi there, my name's Reese. I'm a nutritionist. I work specifically with people to get to the root cause of their reflux and their bloating. And a dry cough or a cough that just never seems to get better could be a sign of what we call silent acid reflux, LPR or laryngopharyngeal reflux. Now, it's not the typical symptoms that you normally get with acid reflux, where the acid comes up and it burns the esophagus. That's pretty obvious. But having that dry cough could be a sign of silent acid reflux. Some other signs of that silent acid reflux could be constant throat clearing, post-nasal drip, having a hoarse voice, getting damage to the enamel on the back of your teeth. These could all be signs of what we call silent acid reflux. Now, the good thing is that I think that silent reflux is caused by the same things that are causing the normal acid reflux: an H. pylori problem, a yeast problem, or not having a gallbladder. The only slight difference is that you could have H. pylori or yeast silently hiding inside your mouth where there is no test for it. So if in doubt, start with the pilot purge, open the capsules into water, swish them around your mouth, gargle and swallow to rule out H. pylori, and then move on.